Welcome to the installation video of NOAH 2000 Balcony Solar Storage, which includes 3 parts. 1. Product introduction. 2. System installation. 3. Wi-Fi connection and work modes configuration. The first section is product introduction. All wiring ports are located on the back, with signal antenna for Wi-Fi connection and 2 sets of PV input ports for connecting solar panels. DC output ports used to connect microinverters. There are 2 battery expansion ports, allowing NOAH 2000 to be stacked for battery capacity expansion. The main power button is used to turn it on and off. The battery level indicator shows the remaining capacity of the NOAH. One light represents 25% battery capacity. Solar panel connection indicator shows the NOAH had solar power input when it's lightened. Microinverter operation indicator shows the microinverter is running when it's lightened. IoT indicator shows the Wi-Fi connection status. IoT button is used to turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. What's in the packet box are documentations, PV input extension cables, DC output cables, cable locker, fixed bracket, and H4 withdrawal tool. Connect the side of DC output cables with a label of DC output to the DC output port of NOAH 2000 and secure them with cable locker. Following the instruction, connect the side of all 4 PV input extension cables with a label of PV input to the PV input port of NOAH 2000. And secure them with cable locker. Now, all the wires on the NOAH 2000 have been connected. You can move the NOAH 2000 to a suitable position and stand against the wall. The next step is to connect the system. Connect the NOAH 2000 to the microinverter. Then connect the microinverter to the household socket. The next step is to connect the solar modules to the NOAH 2000. Now, the installation work has finished. If necessary, you can also stack multiple NOAH 2000 to achieve capacity expansion. NOAH 2000 supports stacked installation with a recommended maximum of 4 units. Fixed bracket can be used to enhance stability. Install the fixed bracket onto the NOAH 2000. After positioning the NOAH 2000, use a marker to make marks on the wall. Drill holes at the marked spots and insert expansion plugs. Secure the NOAH 2000 to the wall. The stacking should appear as shown in the illustration. Note: microinverter can only be connected to the top NOAH 2000. One system can only connect to 1 microinverter at most. You can connect 4 solar panels by purchasing the Y-branch solar parallel cables separately. Users need to download the Shine Phone app for network configuration. Open the app. Please inquire with a merchant in advance about the installation code. Create an account. Create a power plant. Skip the data logger configuration. Add device. Select NOAH 2000 Balcony Solar Storage. Turn on your device. Make the IoT icon light up. Choose your device. Choose Wi-Fi. Choose a plant. The network configuration is completed, and you can see that the IoT indicator light is always on. Note: if multiple devices are stacked, just turn on the top device and the others will turn on automatically. For stacked devices, light up only the top device's IoT icon. Then you can set the required working mode at different time periods as needed. Load first mode means solar supplies power to the loads at top priority. You can set system output power here. If the solar power is more than the output power you have set, the excess energy will be stored in the battery. Conversely, the battery will be discharged automatically to power the load along with solar power. While battery first mode means solar charges the battery at top priority until it reaches its upper limit SOC. When the battery is fully charged and there is still solar energy, it will output according to the actual solar power. For example, you can set a time period from 8 to 12 o'clock. Set this time period as battery first mode and click Confirm. Set another time period from 12 to 20 o'clock. Set it to the load first mode and set the output power to 400 watts. Click Confirm. This means that from 8 to 12 o'clock, photovoltaic energy will be prioritized for charging the battery, while from 12 to 20 o'clock, the system will discharge at a power of 400 watts to supply power to household appliances.